All right, let's take a look at the ES and kind of recap the day. So we had a bearish retrace on the day. It was actually an inside day, but given yesterday's pretty deep bullish expansion here, we had a pretty deep bearish retracement here that was technically inside day, just below the lows of yesterday and a tick or two just below the highs of yesterday. So let's dig into the day here today. So we go through the volume profile here. We have a couple of key points to note here. We had this, I noted this in this morning session. We had this big high volume node right through here. And the assessment was, are we going to break above here and hold and expand even further on the day? Or are we going to break down from this and move down and fill in these thinner prints right here? It was really thin here this morning before we went and lapped back through these thin prints right through here between these two high volume nodes. Okay, so on top of that, we had Powell speaking here about midday, and he started speaking right around this area right in here. Okay, so there was a nice trade here. I actually started speaking about 11:30. So within this candle right through here. Okay, so I've got the trade of the day here mapped out, and a couple key things. Let's flip this down to a 10-minute here so we can take a peek. So a couple key things here. We came up here during the pre-market. We failed to take out this prior day high, and we rotated back down, came back through, filled these thin prints. Powell starts speaking right around in this area here. We have a quick bullish surge right here. You can see it right here in here. And we saw on this candle, actually, let's go back a little further. So on the way down, we have the bears are just grinding this thing down lower, down to the bearish below level right here at 67.31. We have a nice pop here right as soon as Powell starts speaking, traps up a whole bunch of retail traders, buyers up in here. They all got run over. We came back down, plunging below, notched below, closed below, and then on this candle right here, we opened up, we popped up some more trap traders trying to push this market back up above, trapped those up again, and then we came and flushed them down. I had a sell stop sitting right here, put it into place at the close of this candle, and we came ripping right back down through here and tagging this 67.19. Took some partials here. I let this one go. I let the runner go here, came all the way down here, missed my target down here by a couple of points, and then rotated all the way back up. And as soon as this thing flipped green, I exited that trade and took the runner out for another 8 points. So about a 20-point run here in total on that trade. Let's flip over to the NASDAQ here. NASDAQ, much the same pattern today. We had overnight chop, plunging sell-off, breaking down below both aggressive trend stream here, flipping the aggressive trend stream. In the 1 hour, we broke through that here just in the midst of Powell's speech. Okay, so heading into tomorrow, we take a look at some potentiality for tomorrow. You can see where we bounced from the week. What I wanted to see, there's 3 areas I'm looking at for potential pullbacks on the week. We are at the first of 3, the prior week value area high, that 6,700 area. We're going to see if the bulls can hold that 6,700 or we're going to fail and move on back down. That second area is this POC from the prior week. And then that third area, if things get, if the pullback gets real deep, is this POC right through here. Okay, so we're going to keep watching for that. If we start to move down and we close and we break down below 6,700, we'll take a look at that and see if we can frame a short off of that. We've got Donald Trump speaking again tonight at 6:20 p.m. Central Standard Time, and so we'll assess the market impact of that in the morning. So with that, have a good night, and we'll see you.
Hey everyone, it's Dale here. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like to trade alongside me and our team of prop firm funded traders every day, then click the link below the video and hop aboard. We are looking forward to trading with you.